Hello everyone. There is a new model out there from the Deepseek that is Janus Pro 7 billion. It's really amazing. Let's check it out that what is this thing is. Uh, so this was just released a few 10 hours ago, and it's very interesting because this is a multi-model model that is like it can take images and text as well. Okay, so you can see how it can generate a image as well. The face of a beautiful girl or a steaming cup of coffee on a wooden table. You can see here the details. Okay, at the end I'll be telling you that how you can do it as well. Okay, so the image is quite good, and it's sharp image and it is correct. You can see here like it can generate the text in the images, so that is interesting. If we see the benchmarks, then the performance is quite good from the existing models. There was a lava 5 model from the Microsoft, and you can see how much gap it have. So it have a lot of gaps. um, Here you can see, so that's a good number, and a very good start. And on the gen eval benchmark and dpg benchmark, it is in the top. So that is a very good performance, and there is a GitHub also, so you can download the model and you can run it on your own machine as well. Um, and you can use it now. Okay, you can use it on the on your on Hugging Face. I'll be giving the link. Just go and use that and explore this. I hope you like this video, and there are a lot of news coming from AI world, so subscribe this channel to get updated with all the AI news. And yeah, thank you.